Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. I'm here to explain a little material about plant geometry, angles, and line. The first, I will introduce myself. I'm from class 1 NPM 45, and my name is Isnaini Wanifah. The course is English for Mathematics. I'm from Mathematics Education, Tindar University. Okay, next slide is about material. Plane geometry. Objects in plane geometry are point, line, and two-dimensional figures. A point is exact location in space. A point has no size. In space. Points are represented by dots, and named with capital letters. A line is straight range of points. A line extends forever in opposite direction. Lines are named using a lowercase letter. For example, line M. This is the picture and this is the line M. Line M. Okay, the next is a line called be straight or curvy. A straight line called be horizontal, vertical, and oblique. For example, line K. This is line K. Is a horizontal line. And the second line L is vertical line. This is line L. Line M is oblique line. This is line M. And the next is line K, L, N are straight lines. Line K, L, M straight, yeah. And then last is line N. This is the line N. Is curve line. This is curve. So the next is the position of line in a line. Two lines, the plane could be parallel or intersecting. For example, line L, this is line L, parallel to line M. This is parallel. So, line L and M are parallel. Line L, line A, this is line A, this is, and cuts line B. So, line A intersects line B. Line A and B are intersect line. If two line intersects, their intersection is a point called B point intersection. So this is point intersection. This is point of intersection. So this is can sit. Yeah. Nah, okay. Line B is orthogonal to line Q. This is line B and this is line Q. So line P is perpendicular to line Q. Line P and Q are orthogonal. Perpendicular. This is perpendicular. Okay, the next is when we have more than two lines, this situation can happen. Two lines. Line K is called a transversal line, which is this line K, yeah, which is straight line drawn across of two more parallel lines. Okay, this line segment. Line segment is a part of the line. Line segment consists of two endpoints, and all the points between. Line segments are named using their endpoint. For example, this is the line. This is endpoint this, and endpoint this. So the line segment can be called line segment AB. This is A, B, or BA. So the next is rise. A rise, a part of line that has one endpoint. This is one, and extend forever in one direction. Write a name by writing the endpoint first, then another point on the right. For example, this is endpoint. This is a ray. So the ray is called the ray BA. The next, angles. An angle is formed by rotating a ray around its endpoint. This is One ray is fixed, one is called the initial site. The second ray is called the terminal site. This is So the second ray is called the terminal site. The common endpoint is called the vertex. So the next is positive, negative, and coterminal angle. A positive angle results from a counterclockwise rotation. This is positive. From this to left, Sini. Set. A negative angle results from a clockwise rotation. From this to this. Okay, so the two angles with the same terminal set are coterminal. So plus 135 degrees and minus 225 degrees are coterminal. The next, naming angle. Angle can be named using a letter number. When using letter, the vertex may be named alone, or the vertex may be named between two other points or the angle. This is a vertex and the name AC. Angles according to their measure. From the first is 0 degrees less than theta less than 90 degrees can be called acute, and the next theta equal to 90 degrees can be right angle. The third is 90 degrees less than theta less than 180 degrees can be called obtuse angle. So the fourth is theta equal to 180 degrees straight angle can be called straight angle. And the next is 180 degrees less than theta less than 390 360 degrees called be reflex angle. And the next is theta equal to 390 360 degrees can be called equal angle. Is complementary and supplementary angle. Two angles that have sum of 90 degrees are complementary. If the measure of angle A is 40 degrees and angle B is 50 degrees, then we say angle A and B are complementary angle. So the next is two angles that have a sum of 180 degrees are supplementary. If the measure of angle A is 120 degrees and angle B is 60 degrees, then we say angle A and B are supplementary angle. So the next is angle C and angle E are alternate interior angle. This is C and E. Angle A and angle G are alternate interior angle. The next is angle A and angle B are adjacent angle. The next is angle P and angle F are corresponding angle. The next is angle A and angle G are opposite angle. So the next is concurrent line are three or more lines that intersect one point. This is one point. The point is called point of concurrency. This is exercise. There is a question: if the angle is more than 90 degrees and less than 180 degrees, then the angle is called an. The answer is from before we have table this measure angle name 90 degrees and 180 degrees. So this is the answer is obtuse angle. Obtuse angle, yes. Okay, thank you for your attention. Sorry for the mistake I made. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.